we're gonna finish up this beautiful page from Hanna Karlzon's Daydream book. It's very exciting. We just gotta finish our little bird, and then we have these little insects. So, and then he'll be all finished. All right, we're using our teases to base coat everything, and we're going to continue that with our bird. And I wanted to pick mostly colors we've used already before. So let's start with our lemon yellow. We're gonna do his stomach. Hanna Karlzon puts a lot of details into her birds that you can choose to color each of those details. I tend to not color all of the details and just let them kind of be part of the background or texture of the page. Now if the whole page is the bird, then I'll do like all the little details. But where he's just a little part of the page over on the side, not really our highlight of this page, I'm going to have him be one color. I'm not going to do all the little details. Okay, so that's our yellow, lemon yellow. And then I'm going to take our pumpkin, our rust orange rust, and then that's going to be his talons. And then I am going to grab one new color. This is called Chamomile. And it's kind of a light browny color. So I'm going to kind of tannish. That's what I'm going to do the rest of him in. And just like with our houses, it doesn't matter if we color in every single teeny tiny spot with the marker. If there's page coming through, that's okay. That just adds to our texture, and that's just fine. So, all right, and then I'm going to grab our Pea Green, and that's going to be his eye and the ribbon. All right, we're gonna grab some Prismacolors and zoom in and do the details of him. All right, let's do his beak and his talons. This is Burnt Ochre, 943. My son found a little bird in our yard yesterday that couldn't fly. His wing was all crooked, and we told him, you know, not to touch him, but just you could watch him, but don't touch him. And he was really sad last night when he went to bed. He knew that that birdie probably wasn't gonna make it, and he was really sad. I went out later and couldn't find him though, so I told him that maybe he got better and flew away. I don't know. Maybe the neighbor's cat toted him off. I hope not. Poor little guy. All right. There's the orange. All right, we'll just do the little eye here real fast. So this is olive green, 911. Just kind of fill it in. It's such a small little thing. And with the ribbon, the same thing here. Just kind of put more pressure where I want it a little bit darker on the ribbon. And then lighten the pressure so that you get some variation without having to change pencils. There we go. All right, that takes care of that. Yellow, I'm going to use the yellowed orange again. Might have to get some yellow ochre as well. We'll put this in there and then we might have to dull it out with some yellow ochre. Again, I'm not going to color all the little details. If the bird was the whole page, the main focus of the page, I would color in all the little details, but where he's not the main focus and he's such a small little part, I'm not going to. I'm going to do that. I'm going to grab some ochre. I hadn't planned on it, but I think that will be a good idea. Take the ochre. I'm just going to put the ochre right over the top of the yellowed orange just to dull it out a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with the canary yellow. I'm going to finish it off. I might go back to that yellow ochre if there's like spots I find that I really want to dull down or blend out or something, but for the most part here, I'm going to lighten my pressure as I get into the middle so that maybe we kind of have a little bit of a highlight. Pretty bird. Let's go back to that yellow ochre for just a second. We'll put some more up here. There we go. Beautiful. So all we have left is the brown areas of our bird. So I'm going to take a light umber as my darkest color and put in some shading. Okay, and then let's do the shading on his head as well, so we have some behind his wing there, and maybe a little. Okay, and then I'm going to grab, I gotta see which one of these is really lighter. Okay, I'm gonna grab a Sandbar Brown. I think I need to sharpen it real quick to blend out that light umber. I don't want to push too hard with this, I think, because I want to put the bronze in as well, and they're pretty similar, but it looks like the bronze is a little bit lighter, so it'll be our third color. So let's do the light, or the sandbar, and blend out that light umber. Yeah, that looks really nice on his tail. I like it. Okay. I'm going to color a lot of this in with this color. Okay, and then we're going to grab the bronze and blend all of that out the rest of the way. I'm going over the top of everything else and then blending it out, lightening my pressure as I get to the very ends. What do you guys do with Hanna Karlzon's birds? Do you color them every little detail, or do you do more like this where you kind of color them in general? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to know. You know what he needs? He needs a little of the yellow ochre. We're going to go ahead and put that in as well. Just to... Ooh, that looks really nice. I like that yellow ochre in there. Okay, let me zoom out. We'll take a look at the whole picture. See what we think. Oh, I think it looks beautiful. Okay, we do have a couple of little bugs that we need to color. He looks really nice on there. Okay, so the bugs. I'm going to be so simple with these bugs, and I think it's going to look great. Okay, we're going to take a black Posca paint pen, and I'm going to color in the body and antennas on this bug. And he has some stuff on him because he was too little to like keep the pastel off. So he has some pastel on him, and he also has the spray that we put over the pastel, and my marker seems to be about empty. So the spray is giving him a little bit of tooth so we can put down another layer of something. And I think the marker will be the most like, come on marker. He's such a little bug. Can you hang in there please? I don't want to have to go find another one. I don't think I'm going to have much of a choice though. Okay, throwing this guy away so I don't grab him again. Let's try this one. He's a little bit bigger. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay. So I just want to do the body of the bug. You didn't even see me do that, but I'm sorry. There we go. Okay, and then I'm going to grab, while those dry, I'm going to grab a white Posca, or no, this is a white jelly roll. We'll put in a little highlight on our birdie. Bring him to life a little bit. On his nose. Cutie patootie. Okay. Alright, now to finish up our little bugs, I'm going to grab, this is the Spectrum Noir Sparkle Pen in Pink Champagne. And I'm going to just put that over his wings. Such a nice page. I love this page. This is probably one of my favorites I've done in a while. I just think it's beautiful. I love it. Little bug has just a little bit of sparkle to him, but there's not much else. It's just a beautiful, beautiful page. I really like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this picture as much as I did. It was a really fun picture to color, and I really do love the way it has turned out with all the oranges. Just think it's really pretty. I hope you guys have an awesome weekend, that you find time to relax, de-stress. I have a headache, so I'm gonna go relax. I don't know, find something to do, lay down with an ice pack or something. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.